How to add products to collections in Shopify. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can efficiently organize your products on Shopify store. So to get started, you need to open the web browser and go to your Shopify store. Here, click on Products from your Shopify dashboard. Then go to Collections. After that, click on the Create Collection button on your top right. First, you need to give a title to your collection. Next, add a description to it. You can type whatever you want. Select the collection type as automated. Then select conditions for it. After that, select all these options according to your choice. Click on Save to save your listing. Your collection has been created. Now click on Products. Click on your active listings. Scroll down and click on Collection. Unmark the collection in which the listing is already in. Now click on Collection. Leave the page and go ahead. Click on the collection which you have previously created. Go to the product tag and select Product Title. Then click on Contain and select the same. It will give the option to add your active listings. Now go to the products and open your listing. Go to Collections and select the collection which you have just created from Suggestions. Your selected listing will be added to that collection. Now go back and see it. So this is how you can add products to collection in Shopify. Thanks for watching and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.